Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change the 2015 Toyota Corolla oil filter step by step. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool. Jack the car and secure it on stands so you can safely access the drain plug and filter. Keep a drain pan ready and wear gloves. Work methodically to avoid spills and follow torque specs when reinstalling parts for a reliable seal. Gather your tools and supplies before starting to keep the job smooth and safe. You will need a 14 mm socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, gloves, and the correct oil for the 1.8L Corolla. Buy a compatible filter or OEM replacement and a new crush washer for the drain plug. Keep rags handy for cleanup and a torque wrench to tighten the plug and filter to spec to prevent leaks. Begin with a slightly warm engine and drain the oil fully into the pan after removing the drain plug. Take off the old filter, clean the mounting surface, and lightly oil the new filter gasket before hand tightening the new unit. Reinstall the drain plug with a fresh crush washer to the specified torque. Refill the engine with the correct oil volume, start the car, check for leaks, and verify the oil level with the dipstick after a short.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.